Hi everyone, the foundation I'm going to review today is the Armani Luminous Silk foundation. Really like this one, I've had it in my kit for a while. It's more coverage than I would say the Light Wonder foundation, but it's not quite as much as the Airbrush Flawless one, so it's kind of in between. The finish is really nice on your skin, it's really long lasting. I wore this one day up to Glasgow and it lasted me the whole day, and that was doing an escape room as well, and it was quite hot. I think it was like August time of year. It was quite warm, and this one without any setting powder or any setting spray lasted the whole day, and as I say, through an escape room, so it's a really good long lasting one. So the 5, I'll go with that one. As I say, I'm usually shade 2, so this will be a wee bit darker on me, so I'm just gonna get the wee pump, put that one amount on and get my brush, again the same brush that I'm using. So you'll see as it's going on, it's really nice. So you can see it's not as thick as what the, what was the one, the Charlotte Tilbury, the NARS one. You can see straight away it's not as thick. And again, I've got no primer or anything on. I've just cleansed and put the Tatcha water cream on. I really like this foundation, it's just so nice. But I would say it has got more to, more buildable than the Light Wonder. Not much more, but it's just slightly more than that, I would say. So that's the one on. It just leaves a really nice finish on the skin, this one. You can see that yet. So again, I'm just going to build it up. Just, it's a wee bit buildable. Just put that amount on. You can see it is quite, the consistency is a bit more runny than the other ones, the NARS one and the Flawless, the Airbrush Flawless one. You could tell it was a thicker consistency, whereas this is that little bit runnier. Like the Light Wonder, that's the same, so it's not as thick a consistency. So that's it, just going on really nice. So you can see it isn't as, the coverage is a bit less, but I quite like that. So just buff it all in. So it builds up nicely, you don't need too much, but it is building up. I've still got quite a bit left in my hand, maybe put a bit too much on, but. So you can see that the coverage isn't crazy heavy, but it's really nice. And then I'll just finish off as I use up everything that's there. Take it down here. So looking at it in there. Just whatever's left on here now. And so usually with foundation I would bring it down a bit, I would just stop there. But just for today, for the sake of this, doesn't really matter. I'll bring it around a wee bit, but I'm just going to be taking it off soon. Okay, so there's that. Again, the colour's a wee bit weird. It's definitely that wall, definitely. That's something to do with it. So let me have a look. Yeah, so just see if there's anything. So it's not highlighted my dry areas. You can see there. I'm usually quite dry, it's not highlighted that. Yep, nice finish to that. So it's kind of got more of a kind of, it's not dewy, but it's not really matte. See that, it's got that nice kind of sheen to it. So it's not a heavy coverage foundation, but for me, this and some concealer, it would be, that'd be enough for me. Not too dry there. No, I'm quite pleased with that finish. And that's it. As I say, it's a step up from the Light Wonder, but it's not as heavy as the others and that, and it just depends what coverage you like. I think sometimes people, if you think your skin's maybe quite bad and you've got areas you want to cover up, I think people tend to think go for the heaviest, most fuller coverage foundation that you can. That's not always the case. I think you can go with something a bit more buildable, a bit more medium, sheer to medium, like something like that, and just conceal and correct and things, you know, colour correct, do things like that. Don't necessarily go in with the most thickest, heaviest foundation you can. It isn't always flattering, it doesn't always do what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few more videos on that. So I'll put some pictures up of after as well. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.